Hello, my little love bugs, or should I say good morning, buenos dias, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a breakfast mukbang, okay? Because I really don't eat breakfast. I usually skip it. It's not really a thing for me. But they do say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It gets you energized. And every now and then, your girl craves some breakfast. Not gonna lie. Today we're eating corned beef hash, some home fries. I have here eggs over easy. Best way to eat them, in my opinion. Bacon and sausage, yum. And we got some pancakes. I'm not really a pancake person. I do like one every now and then. But other than that, I could really go without pancakes, to be honest with y'all. But let's get it in because I am starving. So I don't know if anyone else eats if anyone else eats corned beef hash. I personally love it. I think it's so good. And this is not coffee. It's water. I don't want to lie to y'all. I'm not really a hot coffee type of person. I do like iced coffee. Like in the summer, I'll drink iced coffee all the time. In the winter, I do drink it occasionally. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm crazy like that. But I don't really like hot coffee. I feel like that puts me to sleep. It sounds crazy because it's actually supposed to wake you up. But to me, I feel like it makes me even more sleepy. Oh, how is everyone doing? What is new? This is not how I wake up in the mornings. I mean, I do have my pajamas still on, so give y'all that. But face-wise, not how I wake up. Don't want to lie to y'all. Let's put some ketchup on these. Oh, actually, first, if y'all don't do this to your home fries, y'all ain't living. You put pepper on them. I usually just put one packet, you know. You put salt if they already don't have salt, you know, because this place usually never puts salt on their fries. And then you put some ketchup. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I can't eat my potatoes dry. Well, my home fries at least. So let's put the other with the garbage. Your girl finally got her nails done. Hey. If you don't follow me on IG, you should, because I put a close-up on it. They are mood changing colors. You know, with my personality, it goes. So they're not really mood changing. They lie. It's weather changing. So hot, cold, you know. That's how it changes. So freaking good. Y'all know I love my potatoes. Now, if y'all never ate corned beef hash, I'm gonna show you how to eat them. So you get your eggs over easy, right? And then you take it and you put it on top of your corned beef hash. And then you break the yolk so it drips in the corned beef hash. And it is delicious like that. But unfortunately, they overcooked my yolk, so it's not dripping. So that was a fail. Story of my life. But it's alright. It's still good. Let's try bacon. It's so good. I love bacon. So good. I am just going to talk about this for literally 2 minutes, if I even give it that much time. I knew starting this YouTube channel, not everyone was gonna like it or want to watch it, and that's fine with me. To each their own. I don't mind. I don't care to watch a whole bunch of stuff out there. So to each his own. If you don't want to watch me, that is fine. But do not leave irrelevant comments, ignorant comments. It's just, not only to me, to anyone. Like, it makes no sense. If you do not know what something is, let me tell you, Google is my best friend. Google that shit. I don't know why people must comment irrelevant ass stuff. And just some stuff you just wonder, like, do you realize how you come off or how you sound? And if you really just don't know what it is, before you comment anything, Google it, please. Please, okay? Because there is nothing but positive vibes on this side, okay? And I'm just pointing this out because I've been getting comments since I started, and I've been ignoring them. But lately it's been like mounting and mounting. So I'm going to shut it down just like this. If you do not know what mukbangs are, Google it. Look some up on YouTube. If you don't even want to watch me, I don't care. If you don't want to support me, that is fine. Because at the end of the day, I still know you are watching. So, with that being said, like I said, I'm only going to spend a little bit of time on this. To my supporters that have been supporting me from the get-go, I have nothing but absolute love and appreciation for all of you. I truly appreciate it, and it means the world to me that you guys go out of your way to support me, to show me love. And there are so many of you, so many of you. And majority of you are strangers that I do not know, that you guys take the time out to watch me. Nothing but love, nothing but appreciation, and nothing but positive vibes your way. And to the ones that don't support me, I still send you my positive vibes. God bless you. And yeah, like I said, you don't have to watch me. That is fine. But please, leave your ignorant comments to the side. Anywho, moving on. So, excuse-moi. Let's try the sausage. I don't really like breakfast sausage, I'm not gonna lie. But this one's pretty good. Focus. There you go. Okay. So today, I have to go to the DMV because I have a hearing for a ticket I got. I know what y'all thinking. No, Tina, you're road rage. No, this was not road rage. This was failing to yield to a pedestrian. And I put that in quotes because your girl didn't fail to yield to the pedestrian. Okay? Hopefully this egg is running. Oh, this egg is running. Let's move everything over. I was letting the guy cross the street. He was the one that told me. Oh, yeah. This one's not really that runny either. He was the one that stopped and told me, go. So I went. And like 2 seconds later, the cops pulled me over. And they're like, you saw that pedestrian crossing the street, right? And I was like, yeah. He's like, so why did you go? I was like, because he told me to go. He's like, well, I didn't see that. And I was like, okay. I was like, well, do you want to, like, go back and get him? And I'm not going to lie. I have such a smart mouth sometimes, so I know I could get out of ticket sometimes. But I don't because of my smart mouth. So he's like, no, but I do want your license and registration. I was like, okay. So, you know, it was the end of the month. Actually, it was in December of 2017. And it was the end of December, I remember. Because I wished him a blessed and happy new year. So I know they have a quota to make, even though they say they don't. I know they have a quota to make. Not a quota, but they have to keep, you know, their numbers and shit like that, you know, for the whole department. So, anyhow. He spent hella time looking up my driver's license. And, you know, they usually try to find something on you to get you. See if you have, like, a warrant out there or whatever. Not me, homeboy. I barely get tickets. And if I do, I pay them. I'm on top of my shit. So, there was nothing to get on me. So he just came back and he was like, here, this is a ticket. If you want to fight it, you can fight it. I was like, okay, thanks. Have a blessed and happy new year. So, you know, we're gonna go fight it now. We're gonna see what happens. I love when it's crispy. So what else is new? What is up with everyone? I know I'm late, like always, but have you guys seen that scandal about the moms paying to get their daughters or something into like these Ivy League schools. And one of them is Becky from, is that her name? The aunt. Uncle Jesse's girlfriend. And Full House. And I couldn't believe it. I used to be obsessed with her. She was like my favorite. She's like going hard to get her daughters in. All for just like the name of the school. When her daughters didn't even want to go to school. Or at least one of them did. And I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. I wasn't really paying attention. But they had their own thing going on. She had a YouTube channel. She had a deal with like Sephora. She said it on videos before that she didn't even want to go to school. She didn't want to go to class. Her mother went this hard to get her in just for the name. And now it backfired on her. I was like, holy ish. Let me tell you. That goes to show that goes to show you all. Excuse me. That everything comes to the light. Okay? You can't get away with that shit. So there's people that actually work hard, bust their ass, study like crazy, and they couldn't get in. And then here come these people with money. They send people to take their kids' test or send them to, or pay them to, like, you know, pass it or whatever. It's sad. It's really sad. Trust me. I mean, I don't have kids, but think about how your kids feel now. Like, they probably feel like, damn, my parents didn't believe in me. They didn't think I could do it on my own. They had to pay someone to let me in. When you work for something and you get it by yourself, you feel that much more accomplished. I don't care what anyone says, rather than when it's handed to you. Because you have that much more pride in you. You're like, damn, I worked for this shit. I busted my ass. I wanted it. I went and I got it. Period. And no one could take that away from me. So I'm not saying they didn't mean well. Who knows? But their daughters are now humiliated. If their daughters didn't know about it, that's not fair. Their daughters are now humiliated and they gotta live with this. And people are probably like, damn, your parents didn't even believe in your ass. So, Alright, let me try a pancake. Let's switch. This is toast, but you know, summer's coming, guys. I'm trying to lay off the carbs as I eat a pancake. So, I actually only want one, and I don't want to get syrup on these because I could save them, you know. So we gonna syrup this one up. I'm sorry, I like a lot of syrup on mine because, excusez-moi, ain't nobody want no dry ass pancakes here. Okay. Let's spread the love. I forgot to tell you guys, these pancakes are good. Your girl is officially booked, and I'm going on vacation. I love to travel. I try to travel at least 2 times a year. I try to get away. So, in April, I'm going to Cancun. You know, I'm gonna go get some sun, gonna relax. I'm looking so forward to it. I'm thinking, I don't know if I should bring you guys with me, if I should record, if I should just take the time off and really relax. But I feel like I'm going to be missing you guys, so I don't know. I have to think about it. So let me know down in the comments below if you want me, if you guys think I should bring you guys with me or what. Did I just get syrup in my hair? That's what happens when you're looking like a lion. So yeah, let me know. I have gone to Cancun before. I went years ago though. I want to say I went in 2000. I went 6 years ago, so 2013. I went. I loved it. Cancun is so beautiful, so much fun. So I'm excited to go back. Just have a blast, have some drinks. Just get some sun. I'm not gonna tan because my eyes don't tan. I actually burn, and then a couple of days later it turns into a tan. But at first I look like a lobster, so it's okay. And then turned into a nice little golden tan. Oh, guys, I'm so full. I can't. Excuse me. All right, my little love bugs. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you want me to bring you guys to Cancun or if I should just really take the time and relax. Remember, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.